Hi, as Chandrayaan-3 is near to soft landing, what if Chandrayaan mission is successful? What would happen? Let us discuss that in a very brief, sorting. It would be a significant achievement for Indian Space Research Organization, for ISRO. Success in space exploration can have several positive outcomes. Let us discuss each one by one in a very short and crisp way. Number one, it would lead to scientific discoveries. Now, in this era of celestial exploration, Chandrayaan 3 is not merely a mission, it marks the genesis of India's renewed lunar aspirations, heralding a chapter of discovery that will reverberate through history and propel us into the cosmos. Number one. Number two, the most important for Indian Space Research Organization and for the whole country is, if successful, it would lead international collaboration. Now, success in space missions often encourages international collaboration and partnerships, right? Fostering stronger ties in space exploration and technology development. Uh, so, success of Chandrayaan 3 could open doors for innovative scientific research with the other countries, right? And also granting India a permanent rather role for international discussions in international space. The successful soft landing of Chandrayaan 3 will empower India to actively shape the future of the space exploration at a global scale. India has already collaborated with other nations and space agencies in the past. Number third, if successful, it will enhance technological advancement. Developing and executing a successful lunar mission involves cutting edge technologies, right? If successful, it can lead to advancement in aerospace engineering or robotics and communication systems, right? And number four, economic opportunities. Exploration of lunar resources like water ice or minerals could open up economic opportunities such as mining or even serving as a base for future deep space missions, right? And then it is a national pride, right? It's a fifth point. Successful landing a spacecraft on moon can boost national pride and inspire future generation and millions of science students to pursue careers in science and technology. However, success in space exploration comes with challenges, right? And there are always risks associated with such missions. It is essential to carefully analyze data and outcomes data to maximize the benefits of the mission and continue to expand the knowledge of space. It's very important to understand here that if successful, we will become the fourth, country, a very small group of countries. We will become the fourth country to soft land on moon. Remember, Surveyor was the first spacecraft launched by United States in 1966 that did a soft landing in moon, right? And then it was followed by China Yuk, and then third country is Russia, which launched its spacecraft in 1974. Now there is an opportunity for India as Lunar 25 recently failed to do a soft landing on moon. There is a huge opportunity for India to become number one country in the world that could you know do a soft landing on south pole of the moon. There's no country, there's no data available till today that any country has done any soft landing, any country's mission has done any soft landing on south pole, south region of the moon. So if successful, India would be the first country to do soft landing on the south pole of the moon, and it would really help the world and India, Indian scientists, and India as a country, to study the geology, the composition of the moon, and help the world to grow, successfully. So अगर ऐसा होता है तो इंडिया जो है it would be a part, a strong part and parcel of the few countries जो कंट्रीब्यूट करती हैं स्पेस टेक एंड स्पेस एक्सप्लोरेशन में. So it's very pertinent and very important for me to here to tell you that our neighboring country Pakistan, which started its space mission 8 years ago in 1961. It started its mission 8 years ago and became the first country in South Asia, to have its own space agency, is now, finding its lumen under the soil. So Pakistan does no more exist in the space exploration. If you go and check on the website of the Pakistan Space Agency, you would find no information till 2030. So they have not been able to conduct any sort of research to launch any mission till date. This is very important and it's a proud moment for our country that we started 8 years after our neighboring country space tech. But today we are galaxies ahead. And today India is going to become the first country in the world out of 210 countries. It is going to become the topmost country and the first and only country to launch its you know spacecraft on south pole of the moon. And if successful, it would be the fourth country in the world to have its presence on moon. So this is something that we all need to cheer up. So just we have to wait few hours. There are only 8-10 hours that this successful news will come, and inshallah all Indians will be proud. Thank you.